Good day, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Doughty Street and Furman right here, but it's usually the Furman, guys. So fly. Before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. So right now we are in Brooklyn, and this is Furman Street right here. That's going south, and that one's going north. And there is the mighty Brooklyn Bridge back there. And there's the big behemoth. Fly. Again, guys, this street is very small. It's called Doughty Street. So, again, now that you see where we are, guys, we start the journey now. Again, this is a very small street. I think it's only like 2 blocks long. But we're gonna capture it, no matter what. And yeah, so this is just a very small street, guys. Very, very small. Now you're gonna see Doughty Street heading east. Check it out, guys, and it's got like a tunnel. Nice. Oh, check it out, guys. Another Elizabeth. Elizabeth from Manhattan, Lower East Side, and Elizabeth from this side. But this one's called Elizabeth Plaza. Should I put them together? Fascinating. Again, guys, this is really cool, man. I love stuff like this. Check it out. We're in the, by the, just like in the one of my metal bands, metal church, the dark. We are in the dark. Nice. Check it out, guys. Let me show you. See? Wow. Dude. Normally, guys, I would do it only once. You know, one street at a time. But because that one is so small, it's not even a half a block long. So I'll include it with this one, Doughty Street / Elizabeth Plaza, or whatever I think it's place. So let me just go here, and then we turn back around west. And check it out, guys. See? See? It still continues. See? Doughty Street. And as you can see, that is the pizza building up there. Check it out. Now this street right here is called Mechanic Street, here, right here. But we're still gonna start with Doughty Street here. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you guys, you know, since we're here, and this is part of Doughty, so we're gonna go around this park here. Check it out. This is all part of Doughty, guys. See? So let me show you here. I'm gonna go around it. Again, guys, you never know what you're gonna find here in New York City, man. This is part of Doughty Street. So technically, coming up at Doughty Street, Mechanic Street. I don't know, what do you show you all this, guys? And now we go on the other side, heading west. So we cross the street, guys. We cross the street. And again, let me show you this, see? That is the mighty Brooklyn Bridge. Mosquito. And guys, check out the mural up there. Now we go back down here. We noticed there is a sidewalk, guys, but it looks like they're working on it for some reason in there. That is a sidewalk, as narrow as it may be, but still a sidewalk. See? Now that we're coming out of the green thing here that's blocking it right here, see? It is blocking it because they're working on something back there. But you see here, see? This is the sidewalk. I can't go there because it's garbage cars, guys. All these garbage carts. So yeah. Now let me go through here. Check it out, guys. See? I couldn't go through there because of the garbage carts, and I got this big plant thing here. We'll keep going through here, guys. Again, the dark. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna include Elizabeth. She looks lonely, man. I'm gonna put the two so they can become best friends. Doughty and Elizabeth, so they can be together and not be lonely. Let me go through here. Nice plants. Let me go through here. Okay, guys, so coming up at Doughty Street, and this is Elizabeth Place. See? So we just came from down here, from down there, and now we're gonna go through here, guys. And that is called Elizabeth Place. So we're gonna come here, and we're gonna make them best of friends. Doughty Street and Elizabeth, so they're not lonely anymore, so they can be, you know, close to each other. Nice. They can become best friends and have each other, so they don't have to be lonely. Again, guys, this is a street. Nonetheless, it is very small, but now she's no longer by herself. And in here we have, what street is this? This is, we're coming out here now. Mighty Brooklyn Bridge, man, right here. Check it out. Check out the populace in here. Again, guys, coming up at Elizabeth Place, Old Fulton Street, and now we go back south. See, Elizabeth Place. And this is Meet Up. It says meet. Meet Up. Now we go back, guys. And again, Doughty Street and Elizabeth are no longer lonely anymore. See, I wish I could go through there, guys, but all these things in the way, man. Not cool, man. These sidewalks should be free, man. For pedestrians, not for the garbage. Anyways, we keep going, guys. So again, guys, in my video now, Doughty Street and see, Doughty Street and Elizabeth are together now. Now check it out. Let me go here. So now Doughty Street and Elizabeth Place together forever as best friends. Nice. Now we go through here, guys, and keep rolling. Oh, by the way, guys, my bad. I didn't say the in this street when we were coming down here this way. I didn't say it. So coming up at Doughty Street, every street. Sorry. See? Doughty Street, every street. See, notice how the sidewalk gets narrower and narrower and narrower. Narrow, man. See? Okay, guys, we're gonna close the circuit down here in the corner. And again, thanks for riding with me on this one. And as always, guys, you know what to do. Like me, you know, share the wealth, comment, document in Spanish as well. And I will see you guys again somewhere in time. Bye.